Today's video, I'm coming back and giving you guys a Boxycharm Base Box for July update. I told you guys on Wednesday I could guarantee it, I could feel it, that as soon as I uploaded that video and it went live, we were going to have another spoiler. And guess what? We do. We have a confirmed variation item, whatever you want to call it, for our July base box. So before we jump into the video, guys, if you guys are new here, hey, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here your girl is an extremely hot mess, but fortunately it is a judgment-free, stress-free, and drama-free zone. So hopefully you'll stick around and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Stick around. I upload Monday through Friday, 12:15 Eastern Standard Time, as well as I started uploading or trying to upload on Sundays, doing Get Ready With Me's at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. So hit that notification bell so you don't miss out when I upload. Let's go ahead and talk about the July base box by Boxycharm. And if you guys are new to Boxycharm, the base box is a monthly subscription. It is $25 a month, and you do receive at least $125 worth of product. Now on Wednesday's video, I did go over what the choices were, as well as some of the sneak peeks that we do know, and I will do a quick little recap on those. As far as choices go, you do get to customize one item in your box. Now there are specific dates when you can choose from those items, and for the July box to choose, I want to say it was like June 8th, I believe, or June 9th when the window opened. It's only open for 24 hours, but there are only specific dates to make your choices. So definitely make sure to subscribe, because I do try and come back several times, as well as post in our community section when you need to get into your Boxycharm account in case you don't get an email reminder. Your girl is here to remind you. So as far as the choices went, for the July box, it is the 111 Skin NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster, which you guys said in Wednesday's video, a lot of you guys chose this. Now this was the most expensive item out of all of them that was available to choose. I was actually watching Instagram, Boxycharm went live, and they were showing the choice products, and he had actually applied the product to his skin, and you could see the beautiful radiant glow to the skin. So I'm very intrigued by this item, which, like I said, a lot of you guys said you did end up choosing. Next was the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. You guys know the importance of vitamin C. I always recommend to use it twice a day. Find one that works best for your skin. And then a lot of you guys did say you did go with the Babe Lash Serum, which again, I've never personally tried this particular serum, but I feel like a lot of you guys said that it has been pretty good, and you guys do keep it in your rotation. So moving on from there, the other sneak peeks that we did talk about on Wednesday were the Hourglass Scattered Lights. Now these are the little eyeshadow pots, and I told you guys in there that I absolutely love them. I have 4 of them in my collection, and again, it's really pretty, and it's one of those things that even if you have mature lids, I think you're really going to enjoy this if you happen to get this in your variation and your base box, because I don't feel like it really draws too much attention to the texture and the fact that I have mature lids. So anyways, leave us a comment down below if you feel the same way. If you have this, you enjoy it as well. I like it too because it kind of melts into your lids. The next item is by the Cream Shop, or the Cream Shop. This is the Ready Set Glow highlighter. This is one of those like little compact type of highlighters with a little sponge, and you can pat it onto your cheek. I personally never tried that before, but that is, again, something that we will see. As far as the newest spoiler that was just released, of course, yesterday, Wednesday. I'm filming this on Thursday. I hope to get this uploaded to you guys on Friday. But this is by Ciate Linden. This is the Vacay Setting Spray. Now, a little bit of information on this newest spoiler that we have is this setting spray is an everyday Vacay coconut setting spray. It has a retail value of $22. I'm just on Ciate Linden's website. It says, set and refresh your makeup with the Ciate Linden Everyday Vacay Setting Spray infused with coconut. This luminous ultra-fine mist holds the makeup with micro pearls, and they add a delicate glow over the skin. It does have a delicate coconut scent and a healthy glow that takes you straight back to the beach. Your girl misses the beach so much because coronavirus. anyways, guys, that is the other confirmed spoiler that we will be seeing in the July box, and I'm pretty excited about it. We have seen Ciate London in past boxes, and the most recent one I want to say that we received was, I think it was like the Vacay Coconut Powder, which had a really light scent of coconut. I think for some people it was kind of even hard to smell that, but it was like very faint, and I really like it. I think it works well underneath my eyes as well, so I'm really excited to see this setting spray. You guys know I love Ciate London. I have on today actually the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I really like this, so I'm excited to see more and more Ciate London products in our base box. So moving on, I have some other things I wanted to talk to you guys about. Let's talk first, before I get into some of the potential sneak peeks that we will see in the future, let's talk about important dates before I forget. Add-on dates. This is an important date because this is when you can get up to 70% off of products. Now, I'm on Boxycharm's website right now, and if you do sign up for Boxycharm, they are offering you a $5 Boxy credit for your add-ons. So the add-on dates, if it's early access for premium, luxe, and waitlist members, is July 13th. And like I said, if you use the code SHOP5NEW06, and I'll pop the picture up over here, you will get a $5 credit to do your add-ons. So July 13th is when early access opens up for premium, luxe, and waitlist members, and this is when, like I said, you get the opportunity to add products on. Now, that you're not going to see this in your box when you get your base box, it does ship separately, but some of the items we're going to see is this Tarte Park Avenue Princess. Looks like it's going to be $24. I actually used this today, really enjoy it, and it has a really nice scent to it, like a vanilla cocoa or something scent. I don't know, my sinuses are so anyways, this is going to be available, as well as Stila Glitter is going to be available. Last month's Smashbox setting spray, like I think it was last month, some of us saw this setting spray. That's going to be available for $12. There's also some other things that we are going to see available as far as add-ons go. One is going to be the Dominique Cosmetics Thunder Palette. And again, these add-ons, some of the times it's other products that we've seen in past boxes. For example, that Smashbox setting spray. But we're also going to see things like that Tula under eye stick, which again was a choice item in the luxe and in the base box last month. That's going to be available for an add-on, guys. We've got Elemis. Elemis was a skincare product we saw a couple months ago. That's going to be available. There's a lot of really cool things that are going to be available for add-ons, and like I always tell you guys, I think subscription boxes are a really great way to grow and add to your makeup collection. It's a great way to try products out without having to pay full price for them. So I get really excited when the add-ons roll around, and I know a lot of you guys do as well. So mark your calendars for July 13th. July 14th is all access, so if you only have the base box, that is when you're going to be able to jump in and pick things up as well. And I also saw that the Hourglass Vanish highlighter stick, that's also available for I think $12. Y'all, that's like a $40-some highlighter from Hourglass, but you guys know how much I love Hourglass. So anyways, July 14th, as well as if you are a base box member, July 14th, that is when your choice window opens for August. I'm going to quickly pop a picture up over here, or maybe it's going to be the video. I'll pop up the video. Joe actually went live and he gave us a sneak peek of what the choices were going to be for August. Now, one of the choices, guys, I actually have, and it is, and I'm shocked by this, the Too Faced Born This Way concealer is going to be one of the choices for August for the base box. Don't worry, I will be coming back. I will be doing a whole dedicated video for some of the sneak peeks and spoilers choices, giving you guys that information, so that way you can make kind of like an educated choice as far as your choices go, give you guys a little bit of information about each item that will be available. So moving on from there, I did want to talk about some potential future items that we may see, and the reason being is I was on TikTok, and they posted this video, which I'll have playing over here for you guys. And if you look in that video, there are some items that, yes, we've already seen, but there's some items that we haven't seen, which means potentially we could see these in the future. Now, I'm not trying to like hype it up and say this is a guarantee. It's speculation, not confirmation. But what I will tell you guys is, when we see things like this, whether it be a TikTok, whether it be a picture post, what have you, we've seen these things show up a month, 2, 3 months down the road. So definitely keep your eyes open. So that is the TikTok, and in that TikTok, what we see is the Dominique Cosmetics, the Rustic Glam palette. Now this has a retail value of $44. We've seen Dominique Cosmetics, like I said, the Thunder palette, which I believe was specifically for Boxycharm, which will also be an add-on. We've seen Dominique Cosmetics in past boxes. I am crazy excited to see this as a potential item in our future boxes. Now, I don't know if this is going to be in the base, the premium, or the luxe, but either way, I want to get my hands on it. It does appear that we will be seeing this palette somewhere down the road for Boxycharm, which I'm pretty excited about. Like I said, it has a retail value of $44. Also, in that video, as well as if you go to Boxycharm's website, I'll post the picture up. There's a picture on Boxycharm's website, and then of course, I feel like TikTok gave us the sneak peek and then Boxycharm confirmed it themselves. We see in this picture the Natasha Nona Glow Body. Now this is like a glow body lotion by Natasha Nona. I know I have not seen this in any of our boxes in the past. So I feel like this is definitely a potential for something we are going to see in the future. Now I don't know how soon, but we're definitely going to be seeing it, I would say. As well as if you look in the picture, once again, we saw this in the TikTok, but the Natasha Nona Glow Powder. So the Natasha Nona Body Glow does have 3 shades, a retail value of $55. It is currently on sale for $33, but if you remember, I want to say it was back in January, we saw that Joe was at Natasha Nona's storefront, or I think it was her storefront. So that let us know we were going to see Natasha Nona in the future. So I definitely feel like this body glow is going to be an option, and I don't know if it's going to be a choice or a variation, but also the Natasha Nona Glow Powder, which again, there's 3 different shades, and it has a retail value of $38. It is on sale currently for the 4th of July sale for $22.80. Let me know if you guys have either one of these. I'd love to hear what you guys have experienced if you do have these products, because it gives us a little insight, because I don't have these in my collection. I do have her Blush and Glow palette and her Sculpt and Glow, and I love both of these. I love the formula in these, so I'll be quite excited to receive that powder. And of course, I love glowy types of lotions. So anyways, those are some of the items that we saw in the TikTok that were pretty much confirmed by Boxycharm themselves on their website. Now, I do want to touch base on a couple videos ago. I showed you guys, again, another TikTok where they had a whole palette selection laid out, and a lot of them were past palettes we have seen in our Boxycharm, but there were some that we have not yet seen. So again, it comes back to they have a sneaky way of showing us what the future is holding. And in that particular video, I talked about the Tarte Rainforest Volume 3 limited edition palette. And a lot of you guys were like, yeah, we already got it. That's not a spoiler. But one of you guys pointed out, they said, Rhonda, they fooled you. Look at the box next to the Rainforest Volume 3 palette. It's the mermaid box. So I went on, Googled it, searched it. Sure enough, you were right. And the Mermaid palette by Tarte is one that we will potentially be seeing in the future. So I'm really excited about that, because Boxycharm as a whole has grown so flippin' much. So let me know some of the things that you guys are excited for, and don't forget about the important dates. Like I said, July 13th and 14th for add-on base box choices. I will be giving you guys some sneak peeks as far as the August base box goes. We will talk more about the July premium box. I'll be doing my unboxings, all of that fun stuff, so I would love to have you guys stick around. Like I said, I always stress that we embrace the hot mess over here, because it is a judgment drama-free, stress-free zone. And I would love to have you guys as part of our, what would you call that? Drama-free, stress-free, drama-free zone? I think I repeated it 15 times. Anyways, I'm caffeinated. Watch out, world, because here I come. So anyways, guys, don't forget, we are getting close to the end of the giveaways. I want you guys to get a chance to enter into those giveaways. I will have those posted down below for y'all. There are 2 that are videos that you need to go over and enter into those. 1 over on Instagram. You have to be following me. You have to be following me on Instagram, as well as you have to be subscribed over here. So join the fam. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will leave that down in the comment section below with the giveaway links. Use code SHOP5NEW06 if you are new to Boxycharm. That way you can get the $5 off added to your account for add-ons. Don't miss out on that. If you do use my link, thank you guys in advance for using my link. I greatly appreciate it. It is an affiliate link, so I will earn a little bit of a commission, but just know that those commissions go right back into the channel so I can do reviews for you guys, the get ready with me, all of that stuff. So anyways, friends, thank you so much for joining me in this crazy rambly video. I greatly appreciate it. I hope that everybody has a very safe July 4th weekend. Wear your mask, don't be afraid, make it a trendy thing. Definitely make sure to check out my second channel, HOTMESSMOMMAMD Vlogs. I've been really good about uploading over there. It is what I eat in a day, it's family vlogs, it's crazy. You think this is a train wreck? Oh sis, you need to come check out my second channel. Okay, I'm hopping off for now. Until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye guys.